wall plates. These are really nice, double wall plates. And they come with their, they had the little screws. So I'll try to find the screws, but we have to put this on. Okay, so we're gonna put in the screwless wall plate. What that means is basically this is gonna be screwless on this part, but at the back you do use screws. So it comes with two pieces. And this is the back piece that is going to attach to your box. And then that one, you're gonna have to get it. Actually, this is, well, yeah, I guess both. But it does come with a part here at the front that I wanna mention, where you have no openings. And this one has a couple of openings that's gonna help you open later on, just if you need to do any adjustments or change anything here. But you basically won't ever use it. But if you're gonna do this, you have to put this part looking down so that nothing here shows. So to get started in doing the installation, you see here that there's tiny little screws that you have to thread through here in these two holes, and they'll go in the holes on top, at the very, very top over here. The screws down below are actually attaching the switch and the outlet. So if you have to perfectly align everything and level it as well so that everything is nice and straight. So right here, we would have to align everything together. This side on mine is not perfectly aligned. So what I do is just grab my screwdriver and unscrew a little bit, not all the way, just a little bit to be able to move this switch to where I want, because this here has a little bit of leeway where you can move it to the right or to the left, a little bit up or down, but basically to the sides. So perfectly aligning everything here with my top screws. And I just kind of screw the first one, and then I'm going to align, I'll get a bit careful with these. So I won't screw them all the way in because I'm gonna do that later. But then this one allows me to move the switch where these two holes are going to be, oops. Well, I should turn it on, but they need to be perfectly aligned here too. Once that's done, this part right here has to be the one that goes up, and this with the holes is going to help you access so that you can lift this plate later on. But if you're just going to install it here, all you have to do is press in and voila, you're all set. It took me all of 5 minutes, and even less because I was showing you, so you can do it in probably a couple of minutes. And there you go, guys. It's all installed or ready to go. Now we just go with a little bit of a cleaning spick and span.